Hi, I'm Rachel for Expert Village. Today I'm going to show you how to make different crafts, arts and crafts with your kids. I'm going to show you how to make a little bulletin board, a pencil and paper holder, a little bag for a girl, and a clock. Everything is made up of corrugated paper. As you can see, I made it. It's easy when you can use the same material for different stuff. You can see that I used in each one the same color corrugated paper. I used little rubber squares to decorate. The flowers that you see here are from a poster board that I just cut, and it's a great craft. First of all, it's nice to decorate a little girl's room with the same little crafts, and second of all, can be a nice hour or even few hours for a kid during a vacation to do arts and crafts like that. And as you're gonna see, it's not hard, and it's a fun thing to do.